Hey YouTube, Rankers Cards 214 back with another video today. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Today we have a little Absolute Football Blaster Box edition. One autograph or mem card. Absolute came out last week. I did not get the hobby box. I wasn't liking many things that I saw in it. It was an okay product, but I figured I would just take a peek at it with the blaster and buy the Spectra that's coming out tomorrow. So, well, when you see this today. So I got this, and I also got some Buck City Breaks winnings from a break I was in a couple weeks ago. It's been sitting on my desk, so I figured I would bust this open real quick and show you guys what I won. And I believe this was a case of a case of Origins. I drew the Lions. I always draw the Lions apparently. So I did get pretty nice hits. Wanted to display them here for you guys. So I will show you my beautiful chunky patch of Kerryon Johnson RPA number 299. It's a beautiful patch. So I've displayed that for you. Just a regular base Marvin Jones. Oh, not a regular base. It's numbered. Sorry, 299. And another chunky 3-color patch, number 225, of Kerryon Johnson. So that was my winnings from a full case break of the Detroit Lions from Buck City Break. So shout out to them. Thank you guys. I have Packer Cards 87. So let's get into this, what everyone's here for. If you want those free packs, there you go. It's all for you. I do not play that game. So you're guaranteed one auto or mem in this. I have not seen an auto come out of them yet. Just a really plain mem card. So I'm not expecting much, but you do get 64 cards. 8 packs, 8 cards per pack. So let's see if we can pull any decent fire in this. So let's check out the packs. Looks like it's at the end there. Looks like we got a patch card. So let's just start ripping some packs. Alright. This is what the card looks like. I'm sure you guys have all seen it. Nice and shiny. It looks the same. Usually Absolute all looks the same. So we got Kamara, Jameis, Tyreek Hill, Collins from my Ravens. We got a covering ground T.Y. Hilton. Not numbered. I haven't seen this before because it's just a nice insert. It's pretty nice. I believe you can unwrap Spectrum Blue Parallels. I don't believe this is one of them. No. Okay. So, David Johnson, Devontae Parker, Lev Bell, still waiting to show up, and Kid Reporter. So let's open up the next pack here. Got Chris Hogan, Jarvis, Alshon. Ooh, nice rookie hit from my Ravens, Mark Andrews. Excellent. Hopefully he's a beast. Played pretty good in the first game. 1-2 punch Matt Ryan and Julio Jones. Could not connect in the opening game in the red zone, but did connect for a lot of catches. J.J. Watt, Alex Smith, Nolan Gordon. So I don't believe you get many extra cool cards in these packs in the retail. I think you just get a bunch of base. Jimmy Graham, Marcus Mariota, Todd Gurley, LaShawn McCoy, Ozzie Newsome, Revolutionaries. Another cool insert. Christian McCaffrey, Eli Manning, Sean Lee, Kid Reporter. Hopefully at least the relic that we do get is a good rookie. I'll take it. Okay, let's see. Golden Tate, Bobby Wagner, Patty Mahomes, Deron Payne, Tyler Boyd, late game heroics. Oh yeah, I know that game. Not talking about it. Antonio Brown, Andrew Luck, Sam Bradford. Let's see what else we got. Flacco, Gronk, Gordon, Wentz. We got a Bradley Chubb rookie introductions. That's nice. Not numbered. Allen Robinson, Robbie Anderson, Stafford, Kid Reporter. Let's see the next pack here. Clay Matthews, Deshaun Jackson, Jared Goff, Kurt Benkert rookie from the Falcons. Another rookie, Justin Reed, Russell Wilson, Leonard Fournette, Devontae Freeman. So we got 2 packs left, still looking for our hit. Like I said, it's probably the relic. It is what it is. Julio, Brady, Tyrod Taylor, Jordan Whitehead, Devontae Freeman. That's a nice sparkly card. It's a little different. Not numbered. Rodgers, Cameron Wake, Jordan Howard. So last pack, really thick. So this must be our men card, which it looks like it is. Bilal Powell, Marvin Jones Jr., Doug Baldwin, Jalen Ramsey, got Marshawn, Joe Mixon, Adam Thielen, and our jersey card is, looks purple. That would be a good sign. Hey guys, sorry my video cut out. I got extremely happy, as you can tell by the end of the last video that cut out, but this was the last card in my Absolute Blaster. I definitely got extremely excited. Got my Lamar Jackson dual relic. It's dual memorabilia rookie. Just 2 little patches. I already put it in a top loader. Not numbered or anything, but if I was to hit my memorabilia card, this is the one I wanted. So sorry about the video cutting out. I didn't get to making this second part till late. So thank you for watching my video. Hit that like button, comment, subscribe for more. I got 72 subscribers, so when we get to 100, I will be doing another giveaway. So hit that like button, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching my videos all the time and sticking with me, even though when I take a little bit between videos, things are a little hectic right now, but I will still be doing videos. Stay tuned for Absolute Target exclusive 1 auto 1 mem value box, and I also got a little hobby pack ripping coming up soon too. So thank you guys so much, and enjoy the rest of your day.